Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how to add fonts on Canva. So it's very simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your Canva account, and of course you have to open any project that you are working on. Okay, so this is the project I'm working on. So let's say you're using Canva fonts, and there are plenty of options in Canva. It has a huge collection of fonts, but let's say you still need some custom font that you want to upload from outside. So yes, you can do that very easily. So what you have to do is that on the left side you will see this panel, this menu panel, and at there you click on the text. Okay, and from here you will see an option, add your brand fonts. Okay, so it's under the brand kit, so you just click that. Here you can add your logo for your brand. It's basically your brand kit. You can add logos, you can add colors, and then of course you can add fonts. So since we want to add fonts, so you just add new and then upload font. Okay, so you just upload that. These are the two fonts that I have already uploaded on Canva. So you click on the add new, and from here you just find the font. Let's say this is the font I want to use. Okay, so I just select that and open, and here it is asking me that you have the right to use this and blah blah. So yeah, you can use it, so just upload it. And boom, we have a new font uploaded and we can use it. You just have to remember its name. So let's say I want to use this Alpha Bold. So what I will do is I just click on it, find the Alpha Bold here that I uploaded, and boom, that's how you do it. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel, support this channel, and I'll be back with a new one. Thank you.